Hello. So I've come out, I set off really early for a sunrise in the Peak District. I googled the best, I should know by now, but I thought I'd just tap into Google, where did it recommend for the best sunrise in the Peak District, and it recommended this place, which I've came to. I got up at 5, got there with about 20 minutes to spare, about just after 6 o'clock. Sun was due to rise at 6:30, and it was completely and utterly clouded over and misty. So massive disappointment. However, I thought, well, now I'm here, I'm going to go for a nice long walk. So I've come for a walk, and I've only just decided to start filming now because slowly but surely there's some blue sky and there's light and there's actually views. But up until this point, it's just been not even worth filming. I've taken a couple of photos, but so anyway, let's hopefully when I walk back towards the van at the viewpoint initially where I was going to watch the sunrise, we'll get some nice views. So just looking back, that skyline is where I've just walked, actually, just along there, come down and round. So nice to see some blue sky. I think I'm going to get some nice views. When all was lost initially, I thought this is going to be a disastrous trip, but yeah, I'm confident I'm going to get some nice pictures. Lovely. And the bird song, I've had some not sure what that is, but I know earlier on I was walking, I'll see if I got a recording, and it was skylark, but this one very different. Oh, it's so nice. I'm actually going to get some views. I think I've just spotted a little taster of things to come. So I'm just sitting off the path for a split second. Take a look at this. Classic Peak District, beautiful rock formations and some stunning views. Beautiful. Now that is very true. Adders, very rare. I believe my sister's seen one recently down in Sussex. She was doing the ironically named Serpent Trail. I don't know if I dreamt this, but I don't know if she said she saw an adder. But I do remember only ever seeing one once, and I was very young. I was a kid, and yeah, very young. And I remember telling the local farmer, who was a right character, and I said, it stuck its tongue out, and the farmer said, how rude. There you go, just a bit of a bizarre memory from when I was literally, I don't know, 5 or 6, I guess. But anyway, so yeah, adders. Between February and April as well, that they come out of hibernation. So I'd love to see one. Give it a very wide berth, mind you. I'm not a big fan of snakes, but yeah. Displaying skylarks. That's certainly the birds that I heard earlier on were skylarks. Displaying. Does that mean mating season or something? In for some cracking views, I reckon. Glad I persevered with this walk. That's more like it. I have to say, seeing a few of these trail runners around, it's giving me ideas. Carsington's all well and good, but this would be nice to run. Fantastic! So when I came up first thing this morning with a huge air of disappointment at the lack of views and mist rolling over, I took a picture. I think it was here. Line it up exactly, but I'll compare the two just with my phone. There's quite a difference in how the weather was earlier and now. I kind of was hoping and praying, and it has, that now the sun's come up, it's kind of burnt away all the mist. But yeah, wow. this has been worth getting up at 5 a.m. for. And there is Renee. Time for breakfast.